Are you thinking about buying a new construction home? Well, if so, you need to watch this video because our old way of buying new construction is going to change. Moving forward, I think buying new construction will look more like going to a car dealership. Stick around. We've been buying new construction the same way for years upon years upon years here in the South. Well, that's going to change because here on out, new home construction will take on a new look for the majority of home buyers. We've already seen a couple builders implement this strategy or process, and I believe a lot more builders will be following suit. If your home is less than $600,000, you will not be going to the design center anymore. And that's a positive and a negative. It's a negative because you as the home buyer won't get to pick out your exact finishes and what you want. But it's a positive because it will allow you to save some money, theoretically. All too often, I have client after client tell me, sir, I'm gonna be wise in the design center. I'm only gonna spend about $15,000. And then they follow up with me after they leave. And sure enough, they spent about $45,000 in the design center. Well, with this new way of buying new construction, you don't have to worry about that extra money. Builders are going to be building homes based on inventory or spec, meaning they're going to decide all the finishes and layouts of the home, and then you, the customer, the buyer, will just be picking off a piece of paper which home you want and walking through various other homes that may have the exact same floor plan as yours, but isn't fully completed, so you'll have to envision what your new home will look like. Again, there are several builders already doing this, and it's a positive because that allows them to be able to build homes more swiftly, meaning they don't have to wait for a particular customer to say, I want this, I want that. They get to order things in bulk, and when they get those materials in, they can just start building. And the more homes they build, that will lessen up the inventory logjam that we're currently having right now, because coupled with low interest rates, the fact that there's low inventory is causing prices right now to skyrocket and making home ownership unaffordable for a large portion of Americans. Hello family, welcome to the channel if you're new. On this channel, we talk about money and real estate. And today, if you didn't gather already, we're talking about the process of buying a new home and how it's going to change. We're also going to walk through two model homes. Now, these model homes are not going to be model homes. They're in different phases of construction because I believe this is how people are going to buy new construction homes moving forward. All right, let's go ahead and look at these properties. Now, I told you, buying a new home moving forward would be similar to buying a new car, where you go to a dealership and you get to see the cars on the lot and pick one. That's what you see here. You see these homes are in various stages of construction and you just get to pick one. Now this community is Stony Brook Station in Huntersville, but there are several communities throughout Charlotte that are doing it this way. Now this floor plan is the Dakota floor plan. Again, it is in Stony Brook Station by Meritage Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2479 square feet with a 2-car garage. Now, you're coming in, you're looking at a flex space right here. I've walked through it with the sales rep for Meritage Homes, and this will be how they're going to be showing homes because they don't have a model of this floor plan for you to be able to see and get a feel for it. So you have to envision what's taking place, and I want to walk you through it. This is the kitchen with the island right here. Along that wall will be cabinets, and on the bottom you will have countertops as well as the stove and oven. This is the pantry. This is your living room area. Sales rep was showing me where the half bathroom is downstairs, right here, right next to the garage area. And that's your drop zone. Now let's head outside. Now these lots at this community are very large, but you do have that electrical pole back there, which is an eyesore. But that's what you have to deal with if you buy in this community. Again, very large lots, but you get to see homes up and down the row in various stages of completion, where home buyers just come and pick which one they want, sort of like you're at a car dealership picking which car you want. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, just under 2,500 square feet. And the price is $401,000. And you're located in Huntersville, very conveniently located, about 5 minutes from Highway 45. You're 3 minutes from Walmart. You're 3 minutes from Frankie's Fun Park. If you don't know what Frankie's is, please look it up. It's an amazing place for adults and kids. Now we're upstairs. You have a loft area right here. Going into the owner's suite, very large owner's suite. Going into the bathroom, you have the dual vanity sinks right here. And you have your shower. You do not get a tub. Majority of new construction nowadays will not have a tub. A lot of the builders found that when their clients or buyers designed their homes, they did not put a tub in the owner's suite. So they started building majority of their homes without a tub. That's your walk-in closet. Now let's go look at the secondary bedrooms. There will be 3 of them on this side. Now bedrooms 2 and 3 will be mirror images of each other, with the exception of the closet just reversed. Here we are walking into bedroom 3. That's a linen closet right here. And we're walking into the shared bathroom. You have the dual vanity sinks right here. Dual vanity sinks and the shower tub combo. This is your laundry room. Pretty ample space for a laundry room. And this is your 4th and final bedroom. As you see, the drywall is there, waiting for certain inspections probably for it to be hung. All right, so what did you think of that? I know it's very hard to picture it without any walls up when you're just looking at framing, but this is what you're gonna have to get used to. However, you might be lucky enough to go to a community that has your floor plan, your desired floor plan, in a stage where the walls are up, so you get to tour that home and get a better feel for what the property is gonna feel like. Let's take a look at that right now. Now, this home is a little different. This community is a little different. The whole community is not entirely spec homes. However, this home was a spec home, an inventory home where the builder decided what was going into it, and my clients just came and picked it out and purchased it. Now, you will see that even though communities may not be entirely spec homes, builders in all price ranges will be opting to do more and more spec homes or inventory homes in their community because it allows them to cut their cost and maximize their profit. Now, this is the Waverly floor plan by Taylor Morrison. It is a 4-bedroom, 4 full bath, just over 3,000 square feet. And depending on the location in the community, this home can go anywhere in the 4s or 5s, 400s or 500,000s, depending on the community here in Charlotte. That's your pantry. This is your kitchen. That whole wall right there is going to be cabinets up top, and down low, counter space. Coming back inside, this is the full bathroom downstairs. Again, when the walls are up, you can get a better feel for the layout of homes and know where things are going to be. Now, you still have to be able to envision what it's going to look like painted with fixtures and just everything cleaned up, because they don't have a model of this floor plan. You can look online and see pictures. You can look at the blueprints, but you can't go tour a model of this floor plan. This is the common bathroom upstairs. This is the second bedroom. I'm sorry, I said it was 4 bedrooms. This is actually a 5-bedroom home. Forgot about the bedroom downstairs. Now we're going to go ahead and look at bedrooms 3 and 4. This is a Jack and Jill bedroom where you have a bathroom connecting the two. Again, once the drywall is hung, you get a much clearer picture on how large the space is. That is your dual vanity sink for this Jack and Jill bathroom. So please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about buying a home this way. Would you feel comfortable buying a home based on the blueprint, or walking through a home that's in the framing stages, or even this drywall phase? Because it is becoming more and more common for people to buy homes this way. It saves the builder money, and again, theoretically, it saves the client money as well. Ideally, they get to take advantage of the buyer buying in bulk and they don't have to go into the design center and worry about going over their budget. The price they go into contract for is the price of the home. You don't have to worry about any add-ons. Now this is the owner's suite. You got 2 walk-in closets. And the owner's bathroom. Dual vanity sinks right there. You see the plumbing. Got the large garden tub. That will be your shower enclosure. So what do you think of this new home buying process? I think it could be pretty good if you're able to cut costs, and if going this route allows builders to speed up the process in which they're able to provide the consumers with homes, yet without sacrificing the quality of the home. I believe this could be part of the solution to solve some of our inventory shortages. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section whether you'll be comfortable buying a home this way. But whether or not you're comfortable with this process, I'm telling you, thousands of homes are being sold this way. So if you're not comfortable, yet you want to get new construction, you might have to get comfortable. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. Talk soon.